Hello. Oh, my class, my beautiful, beautiful class, my St. Thomas, the Apostle Catholic School TK and kindergarten class. I have a story that I want to read for you. Just so you know, it is AR, so you can listen to it a couple different times. So this is called On a Pirate Ship by Sarah Courtland and Benji Davies. So let's begin. This has some beautiful pictures. Very nice. Monkey. There's a monkey. Monkey with a message. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on a pirate ship? This little parrot. Just imagine setting sail. All aboard! The captain shouts, and everyone scrambles onto the ship. The wind puffs into the enormous sails and pushes the ship across the waves. To steer, the captain turns the heavy wooden wheel. By day, he follows his trusty maps. By night, he follows the twinkling stars, and the ship glides over the silent sea. Beautiful pictures. Very nice book. All at once, a wild wind roars, and giant waves crash over the deck. The wind begins to rip the sails, so the pirates haul them in. Everyone clings on for dear life, and the ship rides through the storm. Oh, goodness. That is a wild sea. In the morning, all is calm, and the pirates stitch up the raggedy sails. The youngest pirate climbs the most. I did that for the last thing. The youngest pirate climbs the mast and spies the treasure ship. Ship ahoy! All hands on deck, the captain cries. Look at that. There it is, way off in the distance. There's that ship ahoy. There's that ship ahoy. Mile after mile across the sea, the pirates chase the treasure ship. When they're close, they fire cannons. Boom! They catch up with the ship and leap aboard. Arr! They fight until the battle's won. Oh no. Hope they don't sink the ship. Ah! There they are. Cling, cling, cling. The sailors are so scared, they give up all their treasure. There are shiny silks, glittering jewels, and hundreds of gold doubloons. That pretty purple dress. I think that one might be for his wife. What do you think? Ooh. It's supposed to lick your fingers. Then the captain offers the sailors a tricky choice. They can be left to drift on the swirling sea, or they can join the fearless crew. They decide to become pirates. It's a good choice. Don't think I'd want to be in that boat right there with nothing else. Everybody celebrates with hot, spicy drinks. They dance until they're dizzy and sing merry songs. Suddenly, the captain spies danger on the way. If the pirates get caught with the treasure, they'll be in deep, deep trouble. They didn't ask for it. They just kind of took it. Oh no, see that little ship out there. They race away across the waves and hide until the coast is clear. Soon they'll set sail on their next adventure. They're safe in that little cove there. Do you think that you'd be brave enough to live on a pirate ship? So what do you think? So I hope you enjoyed our book. I will have more books for you. So just so I can kind of see you. So you guys take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Mwah.